By now, you've heard of AI.
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 AI. AI.
AI.
But what is it? And how do you even use it? That's what this course is here to answer. We are going to break it down into simple, easy to understand terms, and we're getting straight to the point. We're going to talk about some models that you've heard of and some that you haven't. In this course, we're not just looking at AI, we're looking at how you can implement it into your life and get top results using it. So, if you're ready to master the skills and learn AI, click on the enroll button and let's get started on your journey together.